What's in here?
Demon! This village here has been devastated.
I am stronger.
If you're looking for Marcus, he's not here.
I know, it's okay, he sent me. I need to get something from his hut.
No one is coming in here. My brother is deathly ill. Do you understand?
I'm very sorry about your brother, but it's important that I'm allowed in.
We were fine until you people came here. Now look what you have done. What you have unleashed. You want my help? Then you will help my brother.
Listen, what happened here isn't my fault, but I'll do what I can for your brother. Now tell me, what's wrong with him?
His temperature keeps changing. One minute he has a fever, the next he is hit with chills. And he gets the shakes. You bring him some medicine and I will let you in.
Yes.
Once you bring the medicine, I'll open the gate.
Harlow, it's Xian. I think I have a way to reach Henderson, but I'm gonna need some medical help.
What's going on? Are you injured?
No, I'm fine. But there's a sick man here, and I need to figure out what's wrong with him.
Hold on, I'll get Dr. Henderson. This is Dr. Henderson. I can't. What's wrong with you?
He had...
I wish I could fight like that. Come on upstairs.
Sounds like the beginning stages of malaria. My medical supplies were all lost in the monsoon. But you can treat it with Jesuit
I thought that was it, you know. I thought they had me.
On a hill near
This
the
is for
Destroyed
you.
Road.
It's not much,
Once you
but it's
have
everything
the
I
bark,
have.
Tell him to chew on it.
Right, thank you, Doctor. hope this boat holds together. That water is still rising. Yes! Has to be here. The dead have abandoned their graves. Excellent. Monster! Just what I needed. can barely hang on! All right, I have the medicine, so let me in.
What is this? No medicine?
It is medicine.
You need to talk to my father. He will decide what to do.
You have something?
Sir, this is for your son. It will treat his illness.
What is this? The bark of a tree? I was expecting aspirin or antibiotics. I can go find my own tree bark.
Well, all of our medicine is gone, but our doctor says this works just as well.
If this doesn't work, I will come for you. Now what do you want?
I need something of Marcus's. A map.
Those are his things. Take whatever you want.
Wait a minute. This isn't a map of the tunnels. It's a hand-drawn map of part of the jungle. I'm looking for a specific map, and it's not here. Do you know where it could be?
No, and I warn you not to be friends with that man.
We're not friends. He was supposed to help me, though.
His help. He doesn't help anyone. He's evil, that one. Pure evil. That's why the elders chased him away. I heard that he wanted to recreate the old rituals. The old, terrible rituals of the distant past. He was warned that those rituals only unleash evil, but he wouldn't listen. He kept trying and trying, and then the elders finally had enough. They banished him, told him never to come back.
Why was he doing those things?
I need to care for my son. You want answers, you get them yourself, from Marcus.
food. Listen, I need to talk to Marcus. Is he here?
He's not here. Said he had to get to Paradise to meet the Blessed. Said that they're immune. He was all worked up. Couldn't wait to try a ritual or something. It wasn't making much sense.
I know there are immune among you. Step forward and honor the goats. With your help, we will conquer the evil that has infected Palanai. You are the key that can save humankind.
You are not thinking straight. Do
Do
not
you
do
see?
this!
You immune are the cure for this pestilence. And if you will not step forward and sacrifice yourself for the good of all, then you shall suffer a trial by fire. We must feast on your flesh to ensure the future of the human race.
Oh, damn it, this is all gonna go pear-shaped.
Harlow, are you there? Damn it, Harlow!
I'm here. Sorry, I think this radio was cutting out.
Look, you need to come back to Paradise now.
Oh God, I'm on my way.
Send you to hell!
You see them? They're fucking coming!
Don't let him get behind you!
Somebody help me! Oh man, we got more of these assholes! Here they come!
Let's give these fuckers
Incoming! Starting to piss me off! Incoming! Watch it! Incoming! Stop these motherfuckers! Bloody zombies! Zombies!
The whole place is on fire!
Wait, what?
Just get back here.
We're up Shit's Creek now.
Look out!
Don't let him get behind you.
Here they go!
Kill you!
Big Alley! for these assholes to die! Incoming! Fire you one. Hostile spotted! Here we go! Damn! More of them! Watch it!
Let's give these fuckers a fire! Don't let them get behind you! You're up shit's creek now.
We got more of these assholes. We got more of them!
Harlow, we're running out of time here.
Here we go!
Don't let them get behind you! Let's give these fuckers a
Here we go again. Careful!
We're up shit's creek now.
Oh man, we got more of these assholes. Here they come! Let's spin these motherfuckers! Time for these assholes to die! They're fucking coming! Incoming! They're coming! Time for these assholes to die! Zombies!
Okay, I'm outside the door. Stand aside so I can come in. I'm cutting my way in. Look out!
Bloody zombies!
Quick, get outside! So what do we do now?
We continue with the plan, of course. Show me the map. Christ, is this it? What a mess. Apparently these are the entrances. Even so, they're both in the flooded area, right?
Yes. These entrances are inaccessible.
I wouldn't necessarily rule him out. They might still be useful. Here's Kessler's place. He might know something about the tunnels. I mean, he did work with Villa, right?
What if he's just as crazy?
Kessler's not Villa. He's a real scientist. And if he's still alive, I'm sure he'll help us. I was originally sent here to consult with him. He's been studying the disease for years. He published a paper on it. And if anyone here knows about the tunnels, it's Kessler.
And why exactly didn't you tell us all that before?
Because Villa said he had a map, and I wasn't even sure Kessler was still alive. Look, if you're all too afraid to go, I'll go on my own.
Listen, if Harlow say he cool, then I say we check him out. I mean, what other choice do we got?
Well, we could stay here and party and enjoy the last little bit of life we got left.
Yeah, you do that, Wayne. Me, I'm going with.
All right then. Kessler it is.
Fine. I guess I'll just have to bring the party with.